Hey, what's poppin'? For today's video, come with me for a busy weekend. Today is Saturday and we are going to buy hotel for my sister's business. So Sweet Treats by Cam is sponsoring the Cebu Doctors University's acquaintance party and we are also allowed to sell goodies. So here we are. So our brother is not with us but he's also staying in my hotel but kasama niya yung Aero Club officers kasi tomorrow din yung acquaintance party ng Indiana Aerospace University and he is one heading the event. So busy bees. So here I am pa-busy-busy para sabihin may ambag but meron naman talaga. And here is my sister, the woman behind it all. So make sure to check out Sweet Treats by Cam on Facebook and Instagram. Why is it seen as naive if I think it's all real? That when you know, you just know the butter. The English is not English. Culture is not us. Help us. Hi, Pia! So she is my sister's friend and Saibi's president before. Also, shout out to Aparta, my wrecking ball friend. I wasn't able to get a clip with her kasi busy in person. So we did not finish the event kasi may nag-dibs na din ng mga goodies. So we went home na by 10:30 PM kasi kailangan din namin mag-early ni Dada tomorrow. So, see you tomorrow! Another day, another version of me. Sunday is a firing day and the timing lang na today is a competition firing day. So here I am, ganda-gandahan before mamarili. So we left the house as early as 7 AM kasi sa car pa yung competition. Hi, Sir Avenger. So he is also our taekwondo instructor. So I am the only girl din sa organization kaya princess treatment most of the time. Kasi pinapabuhat ako ni Dada ng things para matuto. So I got addicted sa firing kasi every time makakabusay ako is very satisfying. Especially if perfect ko yung target sa metallic silhouette. So it relaxes my mind. So I don't know lang sa inyo. But you have to try it. Competition is starting. So I joined the BR25, 22 caliber, and 25 standing at Nagwagi. Champion sa BR25 standing and first runner-up for BR25, 22 caliber. So, yay! Worth it, guys. So we didn't finish the competition until awarding kasi we have another errand to run with the fam kaya that's it for today's video. So thanks for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!